Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you've seen my face first time, my name is Shreya and I make videos about lifestyle, hair and beauty. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a dewy natural makeup look. So firstly, I'm going to use a face mist and I'm just spraying all over my face like this. And today I'm going to use this raw cocoa butter on my lips to moisturize my lips. It provides nourishment and moisturize my lips, so I just like to apply raw cocoa butter on my lips. And before foundation, I'm going to use some brow gel. I'm just taking a little bit on spoolie and just applying upwards like this. And today I'm gonna skip the primer because today I'm gonna use this Dewy 3-in-1 foundation. It's a foundation, serum and primer. It's an everyday foundation and it gives medium coverage. And you can use this foundation daily for that flawless hydrated makeup look. And if you are kind of skincare person like me and don't like high coverage, then you can go for the Dewy 3-in-1 foundation. It's like a skincare and doesn't look that much heavy on the skin, and it comes in different shades, so you can find your shade easily. And today I'm gonna use the shade 01 Warm Vanilla. So firstly, I'm taking some foundation with the dropper and applying on my cheeks like this. And I'm gonna blend this foundation with the beauty blender like this in the dabbing motion. So you can see it blends really easily and looks very flawless and natural. And I'm doing the exact same thing on the other side. And I'm applying a little bit extra so you can see the texture. So you can see it blends really easily and it looks very flawless and beautiful. And I really like this foundation because it gives natural finish. It doesn't look that much heavy and gives perfect coverage. And this foundation hydrates and gives plump texture and has serum, so it's also perfect for the winters. And this Dewy 3-in-1 foundation is also very affordable and it's only at $2.99. And for you guys, I will leave links in the description box below, so check out there. And concealer, I'm going to use the Sephora Bright Future Smoothing Brightening Concealer. And I just like to do 3 lines under my eyes and I'm blending it out with the beauty blender. And for set my concealer and foundation, I'm going to use pressed powder. I'm just applying a little bit on the concealer like this. For set my foundation, I'm going to use this fluffy brush. I'm just taking a little bit on my brush and applying all over my face, just a little bit like this. And for the brows, I'm using brow mascara. I'm applying just a little bit on my brows like this. And after that, I'm just smoothing out my brows with the spoolie. So now brows is done, and for the eyes, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette and I'm going to use this pink shade. And whenever I do natural look, I use this pink shade. It's my all-time favorite shade. And I'm taking a little bit on my brush and I'm applying on my both eyelids like this. Also, I'm applying the same shade under my lower lash lines. And then I'm using this peach shade from the same palette. And I'm applying on my crease like this, and also I'm applying the same shade under my lower lash lines. And before the mascara, I like to curl my lashes. And mascara, I'm using this Too Faced Damn Curl Mascara and I'm applying on my upper lashes and lower lashes like this. So today we want natural look, so today I'm going to use a cream blush and this one is from Ruby's Organics. I'm just taking a little bit on my brush and applying all over my cheeks like this. And highlight, I'm going to use the cream one and this one is also from Ruby's Organic. And I'm just applying on my cheekbones and chin. And for the lips, I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown lipstick and I'm applying just a little bit. I'm just dabbing it like this. So makeup is done now and I'm going to set my makeup with the setting spray. So makeup is done and you can see makeup looks very natural, flawless and beautiful. And this makeup is perfect for every day. And what do you think about this look? Let me know in the comment section. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.